This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to post, close and close a work order. How to post a work order. When the work order status is open and you have at least one line in either the Items, Resources, or Expenses tab, you can post the work order. Click Post/Close to proceed. In the window, select Post and click OK. The work order is now posted, and if you have specified a resource, for example, you can now see in the Resource tab that the quantity consumed in the line has been posted. How to close a work order. To close a work order, click Post/Close. In the window, select Close and click OK. After clicking OK, you will be redirected to the work orders list. How to post and close a work order. To post and close a work order, click Post/Close. In the window, select Post and Close and click OK. The work order can now be seen from the posted work orders by going to Work Orders and selecting Posted Work Orders.